Welcome to Sindh Agriculture University, Tandojam, the leading hub of agricultural education, research, and innovation in Pakistan. For over 48 years, SAU has been producing skilled graduates, shaping modern farming, food sciences, engineering, and technology to meet the challenges of tomorrow. With a strong commitment to excellence, SAU stands among the top agricultural universities of the country. Our vision is to transform agriculture through education, research, and innovation, empowering youth, uplifting communities, and building a food-secure and sustainable future.
I am Engineer Professor Altaf Syal, Vice Chancellor, Sindh Agriculture University, Tandojam. I am interacting with you regarding the admissions at Sindh Agriculture University, Tandojam. This university is the largest university of southern Pakistan, where education related to agriculture is being given through our qualified faculty members. The university was established in 1977 and there are 5 faculties which are related to the basic agriculture, technology and veterinary sciences. The faculties are agricultural engineering. We have another faculty, crop production faculty, animal husbandry and veterinary sciences, where you can have different programs related with animals as well as fish. If you are interested in social sciences, agricultural social sciences, then we have faculty for you as well. Our crops need to be protected from different pests and diseases, and for that we have a faculty of crop protection. Apart from these five faculties, we have 2 centers. One is Information Technology Center, other one is the Food Technology Center, and they offer degrees from bachelor's to PhD. You have a very better opportunities if you are interested in agriculture, if you are interested in veterinary sciences. This university is the one of the best universities where you can have a very quality of education from well-trained faculty members who have got their degrees from the America, from Europe, Australia, China, Malaysia, and they have a capacity to enhance your knowledge and technical know-how. Here we offer different scholarships for you. HEC need-based scholars is one of them. Also from this year we are going to offer the merit-based scholarships, which will be funded from the own resources of the university. I once again insist you, this university will build your capacity, will prepare you for the jobs, will prepare you for all market-oriented jobs, and you will get the market-oriented knowledge here, education. So I am looking forward to welcome you at Sindh Agriculture University, Tandojam.
Admissions are now open for the undergraduate degree programs 2025 to 26. At the main campus, Tandojam, we offer Doctor of Veterinary Medicine DVM, BS Dairy Technology, Poultry Sciences, Fisheries and Aquaculture, BSc Agri Honours in Crop Production, Crop Protection and Agricultural Social Sciences, BS English Language and Literature, BSc Honours Food Science and Technology, Human Nutrition and Dietetics, BS Computer Science, Information Technology and Software Engineering, BE Agriculture Engineering, BS Environmental Science and Agro-Industrial Engineering Technology. At SAU Campus Umrakot, programs include BSc Agri Honours, BSIT, BS English, BS Software Engineering, Diploma in Livestock Assistant and Diploma in Agriculture Field Assistant. At KCA and MS Khairpur Meers, programs include BE Agriculture, BS Software Engineering, BSc Agri Honours in Biotechnology and Horticulture, BS Environmental Science, BSc Honours Food Science and Technology, BS English Language and Literature. Applicants who appeared in Intermediate 2025 can apply on Part 1 results. Candidates from 2023 and 2024 with at least 50% marks are also eligible. For BE Agriculture, Pre-Engineering or DAE with at least 60% marks is required. Special diploma holders can apply for Agro-Industrial Engineering Technology at SAU. Students enjoy world-class facilities, including over 85% PhD faculty, accredited degree programs, smart classrooms and high-tech research labs, indoor and outdoor sports facilities, safe and secure campus monitored 24/7, hostels for boys and girls, transport and medical services, incubation center, job placement office, and a strong alumni network. We ensure not just education, but a complete student experience. How to apply? To apply, visit our online admission portal at applyonline www.sau.edu.pk. Register with a valid CNIC, email and mobile number. Deposit the processing fee of 3,000 rupees through HBL or mobile banking. Upload scanned documents, photo and paid challan. Download your pre-admission entry test slip and appear at your selected test center. Test centers are located in Hyderabad, Sakrar, Umrakot, and Quetta. Last date for submission 21st October 2025. Pre-admission entry test 2nd November 2025. Join Sindh Agriculture University, Tandojam, where tradition meets innovation and education leads to a brighter, sustainable future. Be part of a strong community of learners, researchers, and leaders. For details, visit our website sau.edu.pk or contact our admission office.